welcome to all. Today I'm here with you on a special day with a special video which is meant for you all viewers. Maybe if you're grown up or you're a child or anything, but still it's one of the special one day for you all every year. So in advance I'm wishing you for this. Let's move to it. What is it? Yes, here we are with Chacha Nehru and Children's Day. It's the 131st birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, who was an Indian independence activist and subsequently the first Prime Minister of India, as well as a central figure in Indian politics both before and after independence. So now we are here to celebrate his birthday with learning some amazing facts on him. His date of birth as of it's 14 November 1889. He was born in Allahabad in British India. His father is Motilal Nehru, mother Swarup Rani Tusu, his siblings Vijay Lakshmi and Krishna Hute Singh. Now, Nehru has described his childhood as a sheltered and uneventful one. His father had him educated at home by private governess and tutors. He was initiated into the Theosophical Society at age 13 by family friend Annie Besant. Nehru's theosophical interest had induced him to the study of the Buddhist and Hindu scripts. His higher studies, he went to Trinity College, Cambridge in October 1907 and graduated with honor degrees in natural science in 1910. After completing his degree in 1910, Nehru moved to London and studied law at Inner Temple Inn. He continued to study the scholars of Fabian Society including Beatrice Webb. He was called to the bar in 1912. Now regarding the independence movement at his time, with Mahatma Gandhi, he was inspired by Mahatma Gandhi's ideology of fighting British imperialism. Nehru joined the freedom struggle. He had major movements at this time for gaining independence for India, which are listed here, which you can go through for your knowledge purpose. After India got independence on 15th August 1947, it was Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru who was the first Prime Minister of India from 1947 to 1964. He brought us some policies as Prime Minister after he became the Prime Minister of India, which are listed here in one below the another. So you can go through it again for your knowledge purpose. Some of it I'll read across is election of 1952, integration of states 1947 to 50, Hindu marriage law, state reorganization from 1953 to 1956, language policies, defending Kashmir. Now, some of the books written by Jawaharlal Nehru: an autobiography, Before Freedom, Nehru's letters to his sisters, 1909 to 1947, Discovery of India, Glimpses of World History, Letters from a Father to his Daughter. I guess the last book, which even you had a lesson of it in one of your English textbook. If people who are now adult, if they go across their primary section English textbooks, you have this one of the episode of this book in your English text. Till now, we went through who is Chacha Nehru, his prime minister position, what all did he do after becoming the prime minister. But all those are formal talks. But let's come to our day, our speciality, and the reason behind it. India used to celebrate Children's Day along with the world on November 20. However, after Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru's death in 1964, it was decided unanimously to commemorate his birth anniversary as Children's Day in the country. Hence, 14 November, it's our day that we celebrate Children's Day all over India. Children's Day or Bal Divas in Hindi is a day when students across schools enjoy various activities, participate in debates and other extracurricular activities. We celebrate in a very large manner with dance performances, various quizzes, various competitions and many more. Even we get gifts from school or we get chocolates from school. We enjoy it being it is our day. Pandit Nehru is fondly called Chacha Nehru. Even I called him just before because I believe he is a Chacha Nehru. The most popular reason behind the coinage of this term for him was his love for children. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru has once said, "The children of today will make the India of tomorrow. The way we bring up will determine the future of the country." Now, some famous quotes by Chacha Nehru. We live in a wonderful world that is full of beauty, charm, and adventure. There is no end to the adventures we can have if only we seek them with our eyes open. A language is something infinitely greater than grammar and philology. It is the poetic testament of the genius of a race and a culture and the living embodiment of the thoughts and fancies that have molded them. Time is not measured by passing of years, but what one does, what one feels, and what one achieves. These are some of the three famous quotes of Chacha Nehru. Now, here I wish all of you a happy Children's Day. It's your day. Enjoy it to the fullest. Have sweets, have whatever you want. Enjoy it by different means. Also, learn to respect, give, and take respect. Be with your family. Enjoy the day. Read the books written by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, which will inspire you in your future, in your lives. And be a child by inside whenever you want to. Thank you once again to all of you and happy Children's Day.